Good afternoon, good morning from wherever you're watching us. My name is Ignorio Lamidi, Strategy Director, Association of Mass Communication, G23. Yeah, okay, let's start with this. Started the tour with survey. The survey, I went alongside with the president, the welfare director, and another member. So we went on the tour survey by August. So during the tour survey, we found out places to visit. This we are visiting the People House, the National Museum of Unity, the University of Ibadan. So on going on, we sorted for accommodation, feeding, and so many other places. So today we are on the train going at first, we're on the train going to Ibadan for our tour experience, Amakon's G23 tour experience, Ibadan Minewa. I'm feeling happy. These are my students, these are my family, so I'm excited and I'm happy.
Nice. It's good. I feel excited though.
Just in one word, what I've never seen before. Yeah, actually, we're looking up to getting there. They will provide bus that will probably pick everyone from the train station to our destination.
My experience on the tour has been amazing so far. From boarding the train to coming down from the train, it has been amazing. And I rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. I give it 10 over 10. Okay, so the experience was actually smooth and it was giving luxury for less. Okay, my experience was because it was nice though. It was nice. Yes, I really enjoyed it. The trip was given and I really enjoyed the food and the vibe and in-house games played inside the train. Thank you, Amakas.
My experience in the train tour so far has been so amazing. I actually don't expect it to be amazing, but it has been so cool, wonderful and delightful. Peace and cold, and you know that kind of American vibe. So it has been so nice and I appreciate it so far. I know I'm still going to experience more beautiful tour experience, so thank you.
So my train experience was a very fantastic one. Maybe, or should I say it's because it's my first time, but I actually enjoyed it because I met things that I was not supposed to meet.